Hey guys, how are you doing? Recently, one of our user posted a question regarding his Facebook account disabled due to some unknown reasons. When he opens the Facebook, he got redirected to the message that says, "We have disabled your account, and following the instruction, we have reviewed your account and found that it still doesn't follow our terms of service on who can use Facebook. You cannot request another review of this decision. To learn more about the reasons why we disable accounts, visit the terms of service." So here you can see you can download your information and you can read more about terms of service. The only possible way to recover such disabled Facebook account is by navigating to the Facebook Help Center within 180 days. Since your Facebook account got suspended, then you need to appeal a suspension, or an account disable issue by logging into the Facebook by clicking on the link in this page. I'll leave a link to this Help Center article, the Facebook article, in the description and in the first comment. I'll pin that comment so you can quickly access it. And this is a 50-50% chance. From my personal experience, I have tried to recover one such account which Facebook displayed that we have disabled your account, one of my friends' account, and we were not able to recover it successfully. But a friend of friend said that after almost a year, Facebook sent an email to him confirming that his account got released from the suspension. He was able to access all his Facebook, the photos and videos that he have uploaded to his account surprisingly after 1 year, after losing all the hope. During the COVID time, he got his Facebook account suspended, and as a surprise thing, it seems like after 1 year he got such reactivation of his Facebook account. But a personal friend of mine, a contact of mine, was unable to recover his Facebook account. Until date, it is still suspended, and we were unable to recover all the photos and videos that he have uploaded in his Facebook account. So it is a 50-50 chance from my personal experience, and my recommendation is, if your Facebook account is not suspended and you're checking this video for some other reason, to suggest it to your friend, then my suggestion is not to use Facebook to store your photos, videos, and any precious memories that you have, the data on the Facebook, because there is no support. Literally, you cannot contact Facebook support, any human support, or even a AI chat support is not there. You're on your own, and you need to follow the link that submits a request, and we cannot be sure that they will respond to us anytime soon. In the account disabled status itself, they have clearly mentioned that you cannot request another review of this decision. So the decision is final. In this case, you cannot recover your Facebook account is what they are trying to say. You can only download the photos and videos. At last, they have provided an option to download the information that we have on our Facebook account. But previously, this was not an option. And till now, as I said earlier, my friend's photos and all the memories he had for almost 6+ years, unable to download, all those files are gone. And we were not able to reach to Facebook support. There is no way to contact the Facebook customer support for me in India. So I think the same applies for many people in other countries. So don't store your important data or the memories that you capture with your friends and family members on the Facebook. That is very, very important. Always have a copy, backup copy in your iCloud photos, or Google Photos or Google Drive, or in a local storage. That is the recommended one. Without any proper explanation, Facebook surprisingly disables your account, and all we can do is simply approaching their appeal a suspension link, where we may have to submit our identity proof, the photo, and any other details they ask during this account reactivation process. So other than this, it is not possible to recover your account if they decided that after 180 days you cannot appeal such suspension or account disabled issues. Due to the Europe and other government regulations, they are at least providing an option to download your information. So that is a welcoming thing. You can move all the data to Google Drive or iCloud Drive as per your choice if such cases happened. And you may have a new email ID and try to register a new Facebook account if such things happen, and in future, if there is any similar account disable or account suspension happened, if they detected any similarities with your previous account, there is a chance, high chances that they could disable your new Facebook account also. Without doing any of these, the community guidelines and violations, my friend's account got suspended. So I just wanted to share this with you. If your Facebook account is perfectly working, still it is important for you to know all these basic things. And if your account got suspended, then these troubleshootings are the only way. As I said in the beginning of the video, it is a 50-50 chance that you may recover your Facebook account that got suspended or disabled. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks. Have a wonderful day.